Hello, you on the channel Happy Decoration, with you I, Anya Kovaleva. Today we will make a big rolls of paper. Paper called corrugated. I buy Italian corrugated paper in a roll. Paper density from 118 grams. For one rows you need one roll of paper. Roll size 98 inches by 19. 4 petals need corrugated green paper. The stem of the flower is from my plastic pipe, but you can use any other base, such as a wooden stack. Pipe length 19 inches. I will decorate the stem with floral tape, but you can use the same corrugated paper. One roll of paper 19 inches wide cut in half. We get 2 strips 98 inches long and 945 inches wide. Two strips are ready. These strips should be cut into rectangles. Cut one strip into rectangles by 7 or 8 inches. Total should get 20-30 rectangles. Rectangles cut out. Now cut the rectangles from the second strip of 11-12 inches wide. Such rectangles should get 8 or 9 pieces. We have rectangles 7-8 inches wide and rectangles 11-12 inches wide. Pieces of paper leaf. They are still useful. Fold each rectangle in half and cut off the half petals. Leave the base and cut out a half heart. Cut the petal to the edges. Cut out such petals from all other rectangles. Now we need to form petals. At the top of the petal we stretch the paper a little. And carefully round the ends of the petals. Now the petal must be given volume, with thumbs in the center of the petal form the volume. Leave one small petal as it is, and all the other petals form as the first. After all the petals have been formed, we will start to glue them on the pipe. But we need to decorate the pipe, otherwise it will be visible. Cut out small petals from pieces of paper. Just give them a shape. And now glue them to the end of the pipe, forming the beginning of the bud. The end of the pipe is decorated, and now we glue a small petal that did not form. If you want, it can be a little bit twist around the edges. And now glue it to the pipe. Now glue small petals first, then large ones. Follow the height. On the fourth small petal, we begin to make a fold in the center of the base of the petal. Fold can be done with glue or with a stapler. Fold adds even more volume to the petal and creates stiffener. Vertically glue it to the pipe. In these rows, it is important to stick the petals vertically and not pinch the base. It is very important to ensure that your palm is between the petals to the bottom. This rule helps to keep the volume of the bud until the end of its formation. Otherwise, it is possible that the rose will be turned out flat and not bulk. When sticking petals, we make a true drawing of the rose. Petals must be staggered. Observing these rules, we form a rose to the end. Small petals pasted. All petals are pasted vertically, and between each row of petals comes my palm to the very base of the rose. Look at how the last little petals are pasted. So you can glue, but the main thing is not to pinch the base. The main thing is to glue the vertical and leave a distance for your palm. And now we will form large petals at the base. I make 3 folds with stapler. And so form all the other big petals. Now I paste them on small petals. We have a large volume rose from 1 roll of paper. She is beautiful. Really? My palm enters to the base between the petals. Now we do sepals. Determine the desired length. I cut 3 or 4 rectangles. I fold the rectangles in half and cut out the half petals. If desired, you can give shape to the petals. And now glue the petals on the pipe. So that the petals do not fall, stick them to the bud. You can decorate the stem with paper, or use a floral tape. I like floral tape. The rose is ready. Such a rose is great to use for a photo shoot as well as for a holiday decoration or interior. If you have any question, write in the comments. I'm always glad to communicate. Subscribe to my channel and my Instagram Happy Decoration. I'm glad to see you. And please, write what masterclasses you want to see translated into English. Glad for you to try. I was with you to Anya Kovaleva and the channel Happy Decoration. Bye bye.